Good afternoon, Nyawamusha. A happy new year to everybody. It's been a minute. Hoping Guti people had a blessed festive season, blessed holiday season. Whatever the season means to you. Had a great time with family, with friends, and we are all back safe. Sibonga Musa. And I am going through a bit of a post-mortem of the year that was. And if you're like me, somewhere iba overwhelming, especially when you get to those things that you had set out to do and you could not get to, or you didn't do, or they didn't work out. It can be daunting and it can be overwhelming, especially because ubona others have achieved, others have done so well. We continue to clap for other people as we journey, as we find our way through impilo, as we go through these experiences, keeping in mind that we can never have it all and we can never achieve at the same time. And we cannot do it all, and we cannot do it at any pace A1. So what I've taken out of this exercise, today, just going through what I've managed to tick, and those things that I could not. I learned ukuthi khona izinto that we may wish to achieve or to do. When you do this reflective exercise, ukuthi futhi uzibuze, it's not about just saying we try again. It's not about saying you go back and you see what didn't work and you try again, but it's about looking at things with a different eye and a different fresh perspective and a fresh view, and to say, is this item, this thing, a try again? Is this continue? Is this let it go? Is this, it's probably not really for me? Is this probably iskhathi akakabiyiso? So because I think if we approach everything in a mindset yokuthi we try again, sometimes we miss on the message yokuthi no, stop maybe barking at this tree, maybe stop knocking on this door, or maybe release it, let it go. This you are just too attached to it, but really maybe iskhathi, no, not now. So also what I've taken out of this exercise is, there'll be things that are undone in Bilweni, and there'll be things that we are grateful to God for, but there'll be things that we have to still pray to God for. There'll be things that require us to work harder. There'll be things that require us to do, to go deeper with research. So as you plan for Unyaga Omusha, do not get overwhelmed. But maybe I set out to do 5 things or 10 things, but I only managed a fraction of those things. Remembering that the path, the growth is not only about attaining tangible things, izinto ukwazi ukuziphatha ngesandla and say, I bought this, I did this, I have a certificate for this, I have this and this to show. But growth is also, development is also about things that we cannot touch, we cannot see, that are not tangible. How have you grown mentally? How are you psychologically? How are you emotionally? How are you spiritually? What are those things that we take for granted that really you have done well and you deserve to pat yourself in the back? But it's just that it's not things you can physically take out and show. So as we courageously continue, as we plug up that courage to continue again, to continue to dream, to continue to create, to have that courage to start, to have that courage to heal, to have that courage to develop ourselves, to have that courage to grow, to have that courage to let go of some of the things, to have that courage to elevate. As we continue to have that courage to love, to have that courage to laugh again, to speak, to write, to whatever. As we continue, let us do it with grace, showing ourselves grace. It is so easy to get overwhelmed and feel like awenzi nix or awukhuli just because your results are different from those of your counterparts. And as you do whatever it is that works for you, whether you do a vision board, whether you do a prayer board, whether you write resolutions, also let us not is frustrated because you are doing resolutions and others feel like they're outdated. You are doing your things this way and others are vision boarding and that does not resonate with you. Then they say you feel despondent. Do what resonates with you, do what feels right for you. But it is so important to write things down. It is so important to remember that God is always renewing things. God is always doing things anew. And ngeke is born if we have nothing nathi self-written for ourselves, so that you can go back and say nakhu that I had written and said I desire, or I am going to do, or I wish to do, or I plan to do. So going to the year, let's go into the year. Be positive. Be positive. Nawe, your own efforts. Be your own motivator. Be your own cheerleader. Before sizokufuna kwabanye abantu. Let us be those people that can really encourage ourselves to continue against any and all odds. I do really wish everybody a fruitful year, a year full of growth. But sikhumbule ukuthi we would then cease to need God or the higher powers if sithola konke, if everything gets done. So impilo is in other words